Imagine losing a natural space the size of the Yorkshire Dales, not to a natural disaster, but to something far more insidious, the hidden cost of new homes. Our wild spaces are shrinking, and the pace is accelerating. For too long, new developments have chipped away at our precious natural habitats. Now, proposed changes threaten to weaken biodiversity protections even further. This means developers could build without replacing the nature they destroy. Every new home could mean another piece of vital wildlife habitat lost forever. This puts countless species at risk, leaving them nowhere to thrive. We are sacrificing our natural heritage for short-term gains. We cannot let this happen. We must demand stronger regulations that protect our planet and its incredible biodiversity. Our collective voice can ensure that development goes hand in hand with environmental responsibility. Let's protect our planet for future generations. Join the conversation and share your thoughts below. Like this video if you believe in protecting our wild spaces, and subscribe for more content dedicated to wildlife and nature.